What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on HYMC ticker.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you that this company might be very attractive from the fundamental standpoint, but still has a lot of downside potential. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video just a couple of days ago and we have, let me show you more thoroughly, we have this range of 0.618 at price point of roughly $1.3 as very strong support, and we have a third touch right here of this price action. And definitely this range of support might hold, and from this level we might go higher. But also we have decent possibilities to hit lower targets, and in my technical analysis I will show you what should we expect next, and I will show you 3 possible outcomes for the price action. So, and let's continue with the fundamental news. On my previous video I've showed you this article. It was published on March 16th and it's titled "After Rising Sharply, is HYMC Still a Buy?" And it is very good article that will give you very good information about this company. But on top of that, let me show you this document, and we are on their official website, and this news release was published on February 22nd and it's titled "Hycroft provides preliminary 2021 operating results and highlights of initial assessment." And I want to pay your attention on this paragraph. As reported in the company's September 8, 2021 press release, exploration drilling in the Vortex zone identified gold grades that are up to 5 times higher than the average mineral resource grades at Hycroft of 0.34 grams per ton. And definitely, this information is very good from the fundamental standpoint, and on top of that, let me show you that on their website you can find more information that will give you much wider perspective of this company. Right here, as you can see, they posted the results of Vortex drilling, and Vortex is an area inside their property. So as you can see, they have a lot of gold and silver in this area, and it is much higher than the average on their site. Right here you can find that they have even 1 meter of 6,535 grams per ton of silver and 0.88 grams per ton of gold. Definitely it is a very good numbers, but you have to do your own due diligence, and you can do this by using their official website. I have to say that this website has a lot of useful information. They have even the drilling map of some of their sites, and definitely you have to keep a closer look on this information. On top of that, let me show you that we still have some support from retail investors community. And right here on appwisdom.io we have this ticker on 18th place, and it gained 12 rows during the last 24 hours. But we don't have any supports from stocktweets.com community. And that's why we have to be cautious in the short-term perspective. On top of that, let me show you the institutional investors in this company. And first of all, let me show you this chart. It is the institutional ownership of HYMC, and the blue line represents the price of the stocks. As you can see, we have a huge decrease in institutional ownership, and let me show you right here. We have major investors in this company, and all of them reduced its position. Some of them just barely reduced, and some of them almost closed the entire position. Right here, as you can see, decreased for more than 91%. Definitely it might be the bad sign from the investor standpoint, but I have to say that from the technical standpoint we still have 3 possibilities. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you that this retracement, if it is the case and we have ABC correction, to retrace the entire movement, let me switch to daily time frame and let me show you the bigger picture of this asset. This asset went from its swing high from roughly $16 to its lowest point, and it lost about 98% of its value. And this movement to the downside doesn't have the retracement, any meaningful retracements, and right here we might have this retracement, and usually it should have a shape of simple zigzag. And I've told you on my previous video that this structure should have 3 or 5 waves in the A wave, strictly 3 waves in the B wave, and strictly 5 waves in the C wave. And if it is the bottom of our B wave, our next leg to the upside might land up to roughly $4 price point. But right here, I cannot count the B wave and I cannot see the simple zigzag inside the B wave. This means we might have some bounce to the upside, and we might have something like this. The internal movement of the B wave might be like this. This is the top of, this is the bottom of our A wave, then a retracement to the B, and the next leg to the downside that will complete the C wave. And in this case, the bottom of the B wave will be at this point, and we won't hit these highest targets. Another possible case, that we have this bottom as the lowest point so far for this company, and from this range we will go only higher and higher. And in this case, let me delete all these tools. In this case, we have to retrace this first initial wave, and for now we almost hit the golden pocket pattern. We still have the possibility to hit lower ranges at roughly $0.85 price point, and it is the Fibonacci retracement level of 0.786. And from these ranges, from the golden pocket and below, you can accumulate the position with this asset with the assumption that we might hit higher targets. And if it is the case, our next potential target might be at the following levels. It is the 0.786 Fibonacci extension level, and I pull this tool from the very bottom, from this range, to this top and to the bottom of the retracement. So far we have this as our lowest point, and first price target that we might hit is 0.786. Next one is 1-to-1 extension, and it is 3.96, and definitely it is the confluence with our ABC correction, and that's why it is my primarily target, as long as this pivot holds. And the most aggressive one, but the most probable from the motive wave standpoint, and it is the price target of $5.61. And definitely, if it is the case, we might hit it in a matter of next several months. And the third possibility, the third outcome of this price action is just failed wave. And it is also possible, and this means we won't see higher targets than this one, and from this range we will go even lower. And the main sign that will confirm this price action will be when we will break, and if we will break the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level at the price point of roughly 85 cents. If we will break this range with the conviction of volume, definitely we might hit this swing low. Basically, it is an all-time low for this asset, and if we will break this range, definitely it will confirm this movement as our failed wave, and we won't hit higher targets in foreseeable future. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag.